forecast first on KOLR10 News, Ozarks First.
Good morning. Thanks for joining us on this Tuesday. We've got some cloud cover out there this morning. It's a bit spotty, but we should be dry in most parts. We had a little bit of a freezing drizzle overnight that left a sheet of black ice. You might have some of that this morning if you live on roads that were not treated last night. Temperatures are well below freezing. It's 18 degrees in Springfield, 14 in Clinton, and 23 in Branson. So again, if you have some slick spots on your road, they would still be there with these temperatures pretty cold this morning. So things to keep in mind, anything untreated might still be slick this morning. You want to watch for black ice. Continue to give yourself some extra time and space this morning. The bigger concern is we've got this winter weather advisory that's in effect 2 p.m. Tuesday through 8 a.m. Wednesday. So again, this goes into effect later this afternoon and evening, lasts through the overnight, and ends by tomorrow morning as we start to bring in another light wintry mix. Totals will be on the smaller side, but these impacts, again, we could still have slick roads. It doesn't take a lot to make the roads slick. So we'll keep cloud cover as we head through the day today. We're looking at mostly cloudy skies and dry for most of the afternoon. You'll get to school rather fine. You'll get home from school mostly okay too. We could see some of that drizzle start to develop, but we'll keep mostly cloudy skies and dry conditions through the afternoon. Through the evening tonight is when we'll start to see this drizzle start to develop, 5, 6 o'clock. And then as we head through the overnight, we'll continue to see some of this light snow and freezing rain come through, and then it gets out of here quick. We're looking at these chances really coming down through the overnight. We'll be dry by daybreak tomorrow. We're just left with all the slick conditions that the system had dropped. So again, we've got this light icy mix with some light snow as well. What to expect is going to arrive after 4 o'clock this evening. It'll end by sunrise on Wednesday. So we're looking at a mainly an overnight event, which could impact the Tuesday commute, but I'm more concerned about the Wednesday morning commute because we'll wake up to everything being done, but we'll wake up to that slick glaze that it left behind. Light snow generally north of I-44, that ice and sleet generally south of I-44 with slick roads area wide. It's not going to take a lot to make these roads slick. So let's time this out for you in detail. You can see by 5 o'clock this afternoon, most of us still dry. Haven't seen too much going on yet, but we could still start to see some of that drizzle develop south and east. We'll continue to see some of this light freezing rain and snow push into the area through the evening and overnight hours. You could see some of that snow focus for areas up north, that freezing rain really areas south of I-44, and it continues through some of the overnight hours, but it does exit pretty quickly. We'll be dry by daybreak hours on Wednesday with some clearing skies and sunshine in the afternoon, and we'll keep sunshine as we head into Thursday as well. The snow forecast, we're looking at fairly light totals around Springfield, less than an inch there. We're looking at about a coating, maybe a half an inch up to an inch. We could see up to an inch around Rolla, Lake of the Ozarks, where you'll see more snow and less of that icing. Again, even these light totals could create some slick spots. And then as far as the ice is concerned, about 1/10 of an inch for most of the Springfield metro. And then we've got this pocket to the south and east where we could get a little bit more than 1/10 of an inch, maybe even 2/10 of an inch possible from Harrison through Mountain Home and West Plains. Again, still some light totals, but definitely enough to cause some headaches on the roads and some slick spots. So things to remember, even as the mix ends, we'll still be left with the slick conditions in the morning. So if you look out the window, oh, it's not snowing, we still got those conditions on the roads. We've got to watch out for black ice. Even these little accumulations can cause a big impact. We'll want space between the cars tonight and tomorrow morning. 35 degrees today with that freezing rain and snow coming in late. 21 tonight. Slick roads. We'll keep slick roads early tomorrow and then becoming sunny with a high of 37 degrees. We're looking at beautiful sunshine in 50s on Thursday and Friday. Another wintry mix possible on Saturday. And we got a big winner. Sherry Jones, you get $200 to Hy-Vee. The clouds just killed us yesterday. We only made it to 34 degrees. So Sherry Jones gets $200 to go grocery shopping. Woohoo! Forecast today is 35.